Look how pretty! I hope that you have enjoyed making the last video with me where I show you how you can make a blanket, a stitch blanket for these casimeritos. Remember, I'm making this special video for my grandson Diego. I wanted to make him feel special. And look, he also has this other toy, micromerito. But well, today we are going to learn how to make a new stitch while we make a sleeping bag for these casimeritos. Let's start. Welcome. Sorry I didn't say hi at the beginning of the video. Welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Let's enjoy. Well, today we are going to make a sleeping bag for this casimerito. Diego here is next to me. He wants to learn how to make this. We are going to use this fine material and we will use the crochet hook of number 3, and I choose this color and Diego helped me too because it combines perfectly with this casimerito. Well, let's don't lose more time and let's start. Well, Diego brought me all his toys, but well, we are going to use one thread and or hook. We are going to make a strip of chains like this long. Well, we are going to make this chains a little bit loose. I will tell you exactly how many I made for this casimerito, but remember that you are going to make the chains that you need according to your project. Well, I made 24 chains. I think it's perfect. We are going to make 2 chains more. We will count 1, 2, 3, and in the fourth we will make the first double crochet, and then in each stitch we are going to make 1 double crochet like this. Okay, see you at the end of the row. Well, then turn around. We are going to make in the first stitch a single crochet and then 2 chains. Well, then look, we are going to skip 2 and in the third, but look, it will be in the space, not in the chain. Okay, so here in the space we are going to make a single crochet, then 2 chains, and then we will skip 2 double crochet and the space next to it, single crochet, again 2 chains, and in the second space a single crochet, and like this the whole row. Remember, in the space, not in the chain. Well, at the end we are going to finish with a single crochet for the edge. Then turn around and first 3 chains, and then here in this space, you see how we open the eye, we are going to make inside 2 double crochet, and like this we are going to repeat 2 double crochet in each space. You see? Well, like this the whole row. Well, and these 2 rows are 1 series. Like this, we are going to continue repeating more series. Well, I repeat 17 series. Remember, each series has 2 rows. Well, look, this is how we are going to create a sleeping bag. And well, according to the project you are making in this stitch for, well, you are going to make the series that you need. We are going to fold like this, and we are going to crochet all around to join to make the sleeping bag. So we are going to make a single crochet all here, and then we will continue all around it to make a final stitch, to make a final row for the edge. Well, we will have 6 rows for the front. Well, we are going to take 1 stitch from here and 1 stitch from the other side, okay, like this. So also we are going to leave 6 series in the back so we can perfectly match all the stitches. So like this, making single crochet and taking 1 stitch from the front and 1 from the back, we are going to continue. And remember that also all around we are going to continue making single crochet. Well, just to have this clear, this is how it looks. We already closed one side, and Diego here is next to me waiting, and he's excited that we almost finished to make this sleeping bag. Well, also here in this side we are going to make a double crochet row, and when we arrive to the other corner, well, we are going to close 2 like we made. Please perfectly match the stitches we must have 6 in front, 6 in the back, and then we will continue making single crochet all around until here. Well, here at the end I finished to make all the single crochet all around, and then here to join the corner we are going to make the last single crochet, and then here also we are going to make a single crochet row, but we are going to reduce here a little bit to close the slipping back. So we are going to make one and then skip one, or like you notice. Well, at the end I skip one and make one single crochet and skip one, and like this until I finished. And I finish here on the other side. Well, now to finish I'm going to make a crab stitch. It's the single crochet but backwards. You see? Well, like this we are going to continue all around. I finished to make this row, then I'm going to slip one to close. Then we are going to make a crab stitch here, also here in this side. And we are also going to make this part a little bit tight, so we can have the shape of the sleeping bag like more close. Okay, so we are going to continue also making the crab stitch. Well, maybe you use this stitch to make a blanket or to make a pocket. Also, you can follow the same stitch and you can make a wallet, right? A pocket. I think it will be a good idea, and you can mix stitches of the one I have did you before. So, well, at the end we are going to hide this stitch, and now we are going to use it for this casimerito. So this will be the sleeping bag for the casimeritos. Well, Diego is very happy. Also, this micromerito can fit perfectly in this sleeping bag that we made. Diego is very happy. Diego chose the color and helped me to make this idea. So I love to spend this time with him, and well, he liked it a lot. Right, Diego? Well, thank you so much for spending this time with me and with my grandson. I hope that you have enjoyed. Remember that you can use this stitch in many other projects. It's very useful that you know easy stitches, so you can use them and it will be easier for you to make your own creations, right? But well, I hope that you give me a like. Don't forget to share this video. And well, I know that this video was short, but I love to spend this time with my grandson. I also made this for his other toy, and I also made this beanie. But well, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.